Hey guys, we are back in the Lexus GX 460. We have a decent amount of snow today, about 6 or 7 inches on the ground. Unplowed roads, pretty big ruts. We've got traction control turned off and we're in multi-terrain select mode. We've got some pretty rough winter conditions today. We're on the new Cooper Discover AT3 4S tires. And I haven't really had a good opportunity to test these just yet. In deep snow, they seem to be pretty darn good. In ice and slick conditions otherwise, they seem to be okay. Definitely not as good as a dedicated winter tire, but the deep snow is really where these tires seem to shine. Of course, this is a really big, heavy SUV. Braking performance isn't going to be amazing just because there's so much weight to bring to a stop. This is one of my first drives in the GX in really slippery conditions. I've got traction control and stability control completely turned off, just so we get a little bit more control over the chassis and what everything's doing. So far, seem to have pretty good traction out here. And with the combination of ground clearance and full-time four-wheel drive, not a whole lot is keeping us back. Even big ruts aren't giving us too much issue in the GX. These are a slightly narrower tire size than the stock size in the GX 255s as opposed to 265s. That does help a little bit when cutting through the deeper snow, giving you a better contact patch and contact pressure. My tire pressure is around 30, 32 PSI right now. And I downsized to 17-inch wheels as opposed to the stock 18s, just for a little bit better ride comfort, cheaper tire options, and more tire sizing as well. So far, pretty good confidence with these Discover AT3 4Ss. Again, they have massive tread blocks. They're a little bit of a softer compound. I think this is really the environment that they shine in. I don't think they're as good as the Discover HTPs that I had in the ice and slippery, like really slippery snow, just because there's not as much siping going on where the treads can really grab at low traction surfaces. But as a dual duty tire, this is definitely getting me through some of the worst parts of the winter that we've had so far. Definitely in some pretty deep, nasty stuff. But the Lexus is charging on. It's amazing how good this thing is in the snow. I do really like driving it with traction control off, just because it, I don't know, it's just very predictable, it's very soft, it's easy. I hit a really, really deep rut, about maybe 1.5 feet of snow built up from a plow on my passenger front tire, and just powered out of it.
Half a mile, turn left onto Marshall Street.
And it was no problem whatsoever. I do like that you can also use manual gears, kind of between 3rd and 4th gear. Mud and sand mode just kind of limits my throttle response a little bit. Sometimes the stock throttle mapping tends to be a little bit abrupt, a little bit too much for snowy roads. This helps kind of eliminate wheel spin and any unexpected surprises. Definitely one of the deepest days we've had in the snow. Kind of using the downshifts to help me slow down a little bit. Go in this neighborhood here. Again, no problem. Really, the only complaint that I do have is just the braking performance. I wish this could slow down just a little bit easier, but the fact that this is a pretty big, heavy SUV doesn't help matters. If you just stay just above ABS, you get a nice amount of stopping power. And some pretty deep ruts here, say about 8 inches or so. Get over here into the center lane where it's not so deep. Definitely a lot of confidence this morning. You have to keep your wits about you and stay out of the unpredictable deep stuff, but if you do, in your Lexus GX 460, so far so good with these Cooper Discoverers. If we got a lot more snow in Michigan, I would definitely want to go with a dedicated winter tire. I think that would be pretty much unstoppable. But as it sits, this kind of dual duty, all-terrain, it does a good enough job, and that's pretty much down to just the deep tread depths and slightly softer compound of these AT3 4Ss. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up the second snow video in the GX this winter. Definitely a little bit different from what we had a few weeks ago. Someone who should have gotten snow tires. Alright guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you later. Drive safe out there.